So on the Stripe dashboard, click on Balance option at the left side of the screen. Then you may click on the Manage Payouts button over here and choose on Manage Payout Schedule option just below it. A little tab will appear and you want to choose it as automatic. So you don't have to do it manually. You may then set the payout to be sent on daily basis by choosing on Day option right here. This way, you may get the payout daily on Stripe and get paid every day, every time there is a funds in your Stripe account, quite enough to transfer to your link bank account without requiring you to manually request the transfer. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.